Will there be another shop? When and where? Yes, there'll be another shop to some degree. When? Definitely not in 2018. We're on the road with the RV, not even thinking about setting up shop. Where? That's a different question. You tell us where. If you think you have the ideal place where I should be, and perhaps even set up shop on a smaller scale than I used to have, let me know. But before you gracious folks in the cities start throwing out, come to my city. I don't want to be anywhere near a city. We have some requirements of where we would want to live in the future, and that involves trees, mountains, snow, good water. That's, I think, not much can entice me out of any of those things, never mind all. So if you think you have an ideal spot that has a low population and it's quiet, might be interested, send me a message or throw a comment on below on this video, and perhaps we'll have a chat, and maybe I'll take a journey out and we'll visit. And if we like what we see, maybe it at least makes it to the list of potentials of where we're going to go for 2019. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye now.